That's it.
Sorry,
There's people that got my email address now.
it's on the cover sheet of the submission we gave you this morning. His email address. It's on.
Yes, I beg your pardon. I want the email address written by Mr. Adams and given to the registrar.
I apologise, Your Honour. I believe that the prosecution was asking.
Overstep the mark as to a role in these proceedings. All right? Mr. Adams is writing down his email address now.
It's customary after the police or the Crown case to have time to think as to whether you want to give evidence or not, because you don't have to. So I think that point was just if you're deciding whether or not to, because she's the decider of the facts, whether to do it.
I don't want to express too much or I might get pulled up. So, absolutely disgusted with that attitude. To you too, Aaron, you have been an absolute pleasure to deal with, my friend. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
IDCA complaint for the other one.
Yeah, that's horrible. So what is it?
Sorry, excuse me. What did you say?
Oh, because of the documents that it's probably not safe to New Zealand.
Oh, I thought you were. Well, that's not your concern, is it? You're a witness.
No, it's my concern.
No, it isn't. And let's just hand it up if you're interrupting. You're a witness only. Leave the prosecution up to deal with that. I'm absolutely disgusted with the way she spoke about me. I'm just disgusted. Oh, can she try elsewhere or the door closed so I don't have to listen to it? No. Do you want to testify or not? Just say yes. Yes, no? Yeah. Yep. You get to have your say. Yep, we're happy to testify.
Ready?
Yep.
Are you giving evidence?
Pardon?
Just test.
He'd like to testify on his behalf.
Oh, so you're giving evidence?
Yes. Yeah, it's the only way you're going to be able to read in what a public place is, as in any public place open at any material time for the public. So we'll stick with that.
Mr. Adams, you're going to make a decision today as to whether you wish to call evidence or give evidence yourself?
I wish to put my side of the story through, please.
Well, I think the issue is that that's unlikely to be completed in the time available, given I imagine you will want to refer to the video evidence at length as to your, what you regard as correct. And so I think, subject to what Mr. Bell thinks, probably the most sensible thing is to adjourn it now rather than cartoon his evidence and find another date.
Yes, it's, obviously can't speak to how long he'll be, but I certainly will cross-examine on the video, which is 15-20 minutes, so
that's right.
We will
it's better it's all done at one time. So because with the busy court, I have no idea when we might be to another date. So have you got a nominal date? A nominal date is just to put it to a date, but that won't be the date of the hearing. But between now and that nominal date, because I can't just remind you of it into the ether, as it will, they're not telling you have to come back to court. So I'm just going to return date to court, but it's most likely not going to be the hearing date.
Right.
The hearing date could be earlier than the normal date, or it could be later.
Okay.
But we don't control the scheduling.
Sorry, I just was going to say, I wonder if email address can be updated.
Yes.
Before we receive the notes, so if there's going to be correspondence on dates.
Yes. That's it.
Sorry, what?
I've got my email address now.
It's on the cover sheet of the submission we gave you this morning. His email address. It's on.
Yes, I beg your pardon. I want the email address written by Mr. Adams and given to the registrar.
I apologise, Your Honour. I believe that the prosecution was asking.
Overstep the mark as to a role in these proceedings. All right? Mr. Adams is writing down his email address now.
We have the date, the 4th of December, 11:45. That's the nominal date.
Sorry, Your Honour, perhaps for my benefit, not being familiar with MOCO scheduling, will...
I won't hold a hearing on that date.
No, so that'll just set a new date? A new date
That will be
right.
to allow the court enough time to find another date, but the consultation will be solved with Mr. Adams, the date that suits you both, and then suits the court.
Thank you.
But we don't have the ability to put someone working on that, right?
Yes.
Mr. Adams better, but we don't have any idea what the schedulers are doing.
Thank you.
I've heard needs the date. Fail to continue the 4th of December. And then your attendance is excused that day unless you're advised by the court that you have to turn up.
Right.
Right? That's why we need your up-to-date email. Try not to inconvenience you too much by having to bring you back to court to stop you on a date and nothing's going to happen. We can get to the Australia. Alright. No, I'll ask for that transcript to be provided as well prior to the next hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you. All stand.
How are you supposed to give it to the registrar when he's left?
Sure, I think. I can pass it on if you want to get out here.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to touch something we're allowed to touch.